Yeah, so here we are, middle of a snowstorm, just driving, joyriding. We got our pilot here, Mr. Joel Goldstein. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Hello. And I'm your co-pilot, Senior Airman Christopher Lee Smith, Esquire. See this bad weather? It's like awful. Everything is iced over. Keep in mind, this is Oklahoma. Oklahoma never gets this way, so they proclaimed within 2 hours of the start of the storm, they proclaimed it a state of emergency. Yeah, shows you how backwards these guys are around here. And just imagine, I had to live here a lot of my life. Sad, sad, sad. Look at that. Those boards, man, frozen over, man. Hell yeah.
Look at that cord, you see it?
No.
There's a bunch of cord like hanging off of it. Look.